Welcome to our channel. Today, we are discussing a crucial topic: how to create a healthy meal plan on a budget. Many people believe that eating healthily is expensive, but it doesn't have to be. We'll share practical tips to help you eat well without breaking the bank. Let's get started. 1. Plan your meals. Our first tip is to plan your meals. This simple step can save you money and reduce food waste. Start by creating a weekly meal plan that balances nutrients and includes variety. Planning ahead helps you stay organized and focused when shopping. 2. Make a shopping list and stick to it. Next, make a shopping list based on your meal plan and stick to it. This prevents impulse purchases and helps you stay within budget. Tips to avoid impulse buys include shopping on a full stomach and setting a grocery budget. 3. Buy in bulk. Buying in bulk can save money on non-perishable items like grains, beans, and frozen vegetables. Bulk purchases often cost less per unit. Be sure to store these items properly to prevent spoilage and extend their shelf life. 4. Opt for seasonal and local produce. Choosing seasonal and local produce is a great way to save money and get fresher food. Seasonal fruits and vegetables are often cheaper because they're abundant. Visit local farmers' markets for the best deals on fresh produce. 5. Cook at home more often. Cooking at home is generally cheaper than eating out and allows you to control the ingredients and portions. Try simple, nutritious recipes that are budget-friendly and easy to prepare. Cooking at home can also be a fun and rewarding activity. 6. Use leftovers wisely. Using leftovers wisely can help you save money and reduce waste. Get creative with leftovers by incorporating them into new meals. For example, roast chicken can be used in salads, sandwiches, or soups. Proper storage is key to making leftovers last. 7. Limit processed foods. Processed foods are often more expensive and less nutritious than whole foods. Opt for homemade alternatives to processed snacks and meals. For instance, making your own granola bars or trail mix can be healthier and more cost-effective. 8. Incorporate plant-based proteins. Plant-based proteins like beans, lentils, and tofu are affordable and nutritious. They can be used in a variety of dishes, from soups and stews to salads and stir-fries. Incorporating more plant-based proteins into your diet is a cost-effective way to ensure you're getting enough protein. 9. Shop smart with discounts and coupons. Take advantage of discounts, coupons, and sales to save on groceries. Use shopping apps and websites to find the best deals. Plan your shopping around store promotions and bulk discounts. Every little bit of savings adds up over time. 10. Grow your own herbs and vegetables. Growing your own herbs and vegetables can save money and provide fresh produce. Start with easy-to-grow options like basil, tomatoes, and lettuce. Even if you have limited space, you can grow herbs on a windowsill or balcony. Gardening can also be a relaxing and rewarding hobby. Bonus tips. Here are a few bonus tips to help you save even more. Freeze portions of meals to avoid waste and have ready-made meals on hand. Batch cooking can save time and money by preparing large quantities of food at once. Explore online resources and communities for budget-friendly recipes and meal ideas. Conclusion. To recap, we've shared 10 tips plus a few bonus ideas to help you create a healthy meal plan on a budget. Eating well doesn't have to be expensive or complicated. Try these tips and let us know how they work for you in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more budget-friendly, healthy living tips. Thanks for watching and happy eating!